Summer is here, and what better way to start off summer than with a nice, refreshing pasta salad. A tomato and feta pasta salad to be exact. Let's look at the ingredients real quick. You're looking at penne pasta, olive oil, Dijon mustard, garlic, cherry tomatoes, crumbled feta, basil, salt, and pepper. Real easy to make. Let's get started. Let me hit the rewind to show you how this bad boy was made here on Cook! Don't be lazy. First things first, pot, water, stove on high. When you've got some bubble action, take some penne pasta. I'm gonna do probably half a box. Get back in there. Salt it. And then what we're gonna do is let this sit here and cook for about 9 minutes. What we're gonna do is drain it with some cold water. You don't need it hot no more. Woo, look at all that steam. Get your pasta to cool down. While this cools down, let's move on to the next step. Chop up some basil, cut up some cherry tomatoes in half. Get yourself a small bowl. A little bit of olive oil. A good 2 or 3 tablespoons. Some Dijon mustard. Nice squirt. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Minced garlic. Not too much. Give this a little stir. Once those ingredients have been incorporated pretty decent, put in your basil, your tomatoes, your cold pasta, and last but not least, some feta cheese. Oh my gosh. I gotta be honest with you. This feta smells like fart, but it tastes oh so good. Put in as much or as little of this stink cheese in there. Oh, look at that. Coming together. Toss it around. Make sure you get that Dijon mustard, garlic mixture well coated onto the pasta. Ooh, man, this is looking good. And last but not least, if you have the patience to mess with this saran wrap stuff, I hate it. I absolutely hate this stuff. This is why. I can't even... That's gonna have to do. Let's get it in the fridge. We're gonna let that chill in the fridge for about an hour. After that, time to plate up. Looking good, looking good, looking gone. I'm thinking about grabbing some seconds, so I'll see you guys some other time here on Cook! Don't be lazy!